Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro, and today we're going to be taking a look at our RV air-driven turbo brush attachment for central vacuum systems. So the product code for this is RP-2111. This is basically an all-purpose turbine power attachment. You can see the dimensions for it on the screen, but it provides a versatile cleaning thing for upholstery, carpeted steps, auto interiors, and so much more. And you don't need any vacuum or, electricity or batteries needed for it. It just hooks up straight to your vacuum, and it uses the air from the vacuum itself to power the agitator that is inside. So the agitator is what helps you pick up so much stuff from whatever you are sweeping up, including pet hair. And we all know how difficult pet hair is to get off of our carpet and upholstery. So if it hits in a very small space when you're not using it, and it just clips right on when you would like to use it. So if you want to find out more, you can click the link below, like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.